Hey there, Joel here, and welcome to my channel Math World. Today we're going to solve another problem from the chapter Quadratic Equation. And from this chapter, right, you can have so many different versions of word problems, different types of them with regards to age, distance, speed, time, so many problems that it's impossible to solve every kind of a problem, because I know every year there will be one or two students who always come with a completely different problem, which is which was never even seen in my past career of teaching. So there are so many problems, and it's very interesting when they come up with completely different problems, because whenever you solve the same old problems you don't learn anything. But when you try out these different problems, and sometimes they are very tricky, so it really boosts your that energy of solving word problems. And I hope that it does the same for you too, because you need to solve word problems if you want to get better at it. So here is another problem for you to practice. The area of a hall is 96 meter square. Okay, so I have maybe a party hall which is having an area to be 96 meter square. The length and breadth be increased by 1 meter each. So if I increase the length and breadth of that hall by 1 meter, then the area increases by 21 meter square. Now find the length and breadth of the hall. So, okay, just a wave, and that's the hall. Wait a second, what's this? It's nothing but the aerial view of the hall. So it has all these roof tiles, right? So that's what you can see. Okay, so that's the hall which is having an area of 96 meter square. So what is happening now? We are increasing the length and breadth by 1 meter each. Okay, so since we don't know what is the length of this hall, we will say let it be L. Okay, and length multiplied by breadth is equal to area. You already know this as the formula for a rectangle. So what we have done is, if you want to find out what is the measurement or what is the dimension for breadth, all I have to do is 96 divided by L. So L, which is multiplied, goes on the other side, gets divided, which will be, breadth will be 96 upon L. So from this entire question we have calculated, or we are giving notations for the length and for breadth. Okay, so the length is L, breadth is 96 upon L. Alright, so now what will happen is we are increasing the dimensions by 1 meter. So here they've already, it's increased. So what will happen now is, if I do that from the whatever the initial length and breadth were of the hall, I increase it by 1 meter, then the area also increases by 21 meters. So that's how, okay, whatever initially the area was 96 meters square. Now once I increase the length and breadth by 1 meter each, the area increases by 21. So this 96 plus 21 gives me 117 meters square. Okay, so I have added once again 96 meters square, 96 meters square plus 21 meters square to get this new area. I hope this part is clear. Now length to be increased by 1, so L, it will become L plus 1, and breadth also to be increased by 1, so it will become 96 upon L plus 1. Okay, so it would be, this is the basic formula, length into breadth is equal to area. So my initial, now new length will be L plus 1 and breadth will be 96 plus L upon L. So all I have done is it was 96 upon L, right, plus 1. So this L will be multiplied over here, and right, rest everything same. So it will become 96 plus L upon L will be my breadth. Okay, I hope this is clear. I've explained how you get it in some other videos also. If you're not, if this is the first time that you're here on this channel, then you can go ahead and watch the other videos, learn, because every time you watch a video, I'm sure you will gain a little more insight to learning math. So this is the breadth that we are getting, and area will become 117. So all I have to do now is multiply, and that will become 96 multiplied by L. Okay, so 96 multiplied by L will become 96L. Okay, and 96 multiplied by 1 will become 96. L into L will become, okay, L multiplied by L will become L square, and L multiplied by 1 will become L, and this L, which is in the denominator, goes on this side and gets multiplied with 117 and will become 117L. Okay, so whatever the like terms are, you have 96L, then you have 96L, L, and 170. These are all like terms, so you can get them together, add, subtract to get a final answer. So that would be, okay, I've written all terms again, and finally after doing all this addition and subtraction, you will get minus 20L plus L square plus 96 equals to 0. So rearranging the terms, you will get an equation like this. Clear-cut quadratic equation. Use any of the methods, either factorization or quadratic formula, to solve this, and you will get the value of L. If one is positive and the other one is negative, then you can just ignore the negative one, because length or breadth cannot be negative. So you take that value, and you have all the other values, just substitute in the previous equations, and you will have the answer with you. Okay, I hope this part is clear. If you have understood, then please go ahead, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss out any more updates. Till then, this is Joel saying bye to you. Take care and God bless.